Welcome. Today we're going to visit the Bolt Antique Tool Museum in Oroville, California. I grew up in Oroville and I maintained membership in the Golden Feather chapter of MAFCA, and they were going to be visiting this museum, and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to see what it was all about. But I also had a unique tool that I wanted to donate to the museum. During the 30s, my grandfather had a trucking business in Oroville, and he had a contract to pull up rail from the old right-of-ways, and he had this spike puller. It's kind of like a Wonder Bar, only it's 6 foot tall and forged, and it was commercially made, very heavy. Not something that you'd use for a decoration around the house. I've moved it around all my life, and I decided this would be the perfect place for it. So we made arrangements to do the donation while the Model A Club was there, and give it to them. My father used this tool during the 30s. The contract was get the rail up, haul it to San Francisco, and it was shipped to Japan because Japan was going to recycle it. My dad found out in the 40s that the recycling was for planes and boats and guns and bullets and everything like that, so he said he got most of that steel back in World War II. But it was an interesting to see the museum, and they have all kinds of antique tools and hand tools is their focus. They have automotive, of course, mining, carpentry, railroad, and even household tools for the kitchen. But to give it a little more Model A connection, I also donated a Barkalow Buffalo combination wrench. The local Model A club up there, the Golden Feather group, had donated tools, Model A tools, and had helped with the display. This museum is controlled by the Kiwanis Association, and the docents are controlled by the Oroville City. So it's open 7 days a week. If you happen to get up there, you can stop in and see the Barkalow wrench I gave them, or the spike puller if you'd like to pull a few spikes. The combination wrench is kind of unique. I wrote about it several years ago in the Model A Times. It covers all the service points. It has the large pan head wrench, and it has the 29 and on pan bolt. It has the square for the transmission. It does have an 8-point for adjusting the mechanical brakes, and it has the stud for working on the checking the rear end. The large one also will do the original style spark plugs. So we gave him one of these to display with the Model A tools that are up there, and let's go take a look. Thanks.